everyone, this is Jia and you're watching Jia's Art. You are in the right place if you want to learn how to draw a girl backside holding with balloon. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. These are the tools I'll be using. For more details, check out the description below. Step 1. First at all, draw a line of 14.5 cm. Mark these 4 points with the measurement of scale. Now open your compass at 1.5 cm and draw a circle. Now draw a rectangular shape on first two marks. Its width is 3.8 cm. Now draw a shape on third or fourth mark according to this measurement. Now I am using HB pencil and draw according to my steps. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. Erase the baseline. Now erase the center line. Now draw legs. Now draw arm. Now draw hair. Now draw neckline. Now draw second arm line. Now clean the hair part. First step is done. Let's move on second step. Now I am using 4B pencil and outline the complete sketch. Second step is done. Let's move on third step. In this step, I am using HB pencil and create some strokes in hair direction lightly. Now using a soft blending brush and blend the hairs. Now using 9B pencil and draw same strokes in hair direction. Now I am using mono zero eraser and draw some white strokes in hair direction. Now using HB pencil and draw some light hairs around the hair. Now using 9B pencil and do same process. Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step. In this step, I am using cotton bud for blending the girl. Now draw a line with 4B pencil. Now draw a balloon line with HB pencil. Now again draw a circle of 1.5 cm for balloon. Now erase the inside lines. Now outline it with 4B pencil. Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. In this step, I am using these marker colors and pick the pink color and draw some dots in her dress. Now color the balloon. Now colored with Oro pencil color, which is pink. Now colored the dress with same pencil color. Now draw some black dots with black marker color or permanent marker color. Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.